Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to break down actually how to go about doing the split test when you guys are doing the traffic ads. When you have a brand new account or starting something over and you're trying to get the pixel seasoned the right way. So this is how you're going to do it. When you guys get to your business manager and you go to the top left, you're going to go to your Power Editor. Now, the reason why I'm using Power Editor because of the fact that it's simpler, it's faster, and it just nothing really changes about it. If you do the Ads Manager, that changes all the time. You can still do it that way, but I like to keep it simple. So, as you can see, I'm obviously just running a few ads. I did a little test with this the other day, got 94 clicks, between 50 to 100. So now I'm retesting and I switched it to conversions, and now we are waiting to see the results. I just put them up today because it's Monday. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to build this thing from scratch. So I'm pretty much going to do like a brand new campaign, if you will, just to see if I can like give it to you guys this way. So I'm going to try to recreate this exact one right here, and then I'll put it on like $5 and then I'll turn it off. So just to show you guys that like, yeah, this is how you do it. So you're going to go create a campaign. And you could do this, ready? So you can do it this way, or you could do it the other way. You can do the campaign name. So if you want to do create new campaign, you do this. Create campaign name can be, let's say, could be traffic, whatever. You can just keep track of it. Traffic, whatever company. And then you put like your company or whatever you're running. It doesn't matter. Auction, leave it. Traffic ad. So you go now to consideration, click on traffic, because that's what we're going to run. Create new ad set, and then you don't have to really work. You can just do like test real quick, and I'll show you how to edit all this stuff after. Create new ad, and then you just do tests. You can name whatever you want, and you go to save the draft, okay? So now you create your campaign. Now what we have to do, because see how it says up here, the campaign list, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on ad set. And it's going to bring you to the ad set. And this is where you're going to put in all your detail marketing, your targeting, your state, country, how much you want to spend, all that stuff here. So first off, let me just start here. We're doing $5 a day. Okay. Traffic, leave it to website because you're going to have the video or the website on the actual ad itself. Let's see. Scroll down. You guys would fill out your test audience here. This is the state, so you would leave it in the U.S. if you're doing that. You target your age range, doesn't matter. Gender, men, men or women, or you could do all for now, because if you're doing a generalization of it, you want to kind of test to see which gender and what age groups are doing it. So like I would say maybe like 21 to 50, 18 to 20 if you're doing different like age, or 18 to 24. Like it really all depends on what you're promoting. And if you honestly have no idea, if like you're really brand new to this and you have no idea who's going to actually click on your stuff, then just keep it generic and just do like, okay, ages 20 to like 65 or 20 to 50, and keep it at both genders, because it's supposed to be broad at first so that you can figure out and look at the statistics of who's actually going through your ad, so that when you actually get the 50 to 100 clicks, you've already had the pixel seasoned, and then you just narrow your audience down and you just pick the demographics and the different ad sets that are actually converting the best. Okay. So then here you put in your target. So, we'll just do like Ty Lopez, whatever. Doesn't matter. And then we're going to go down to edit placements. I'm pretty much running through the ad and like telling you guys how to do all this stuff. Depending on what you're promoting, I mean, a bunch of the stuff that I know that I promote is seen on like people's phones. And I can guarantee you this. I mean, I recommend just doing all devices at first and then split testing the desktops versus the mobiles and see what does better. But everything that I've seen and promoted and done, mobile is always beaten desktop. I guess it's just the fact that everyone's always on their phone, like straight up. Like there's no other reason for it. Like I'm on my phone more than I am my laptop throughout the day. So just think about it. If you want to just go right to phone, you can. If you want to, you do mobile. You click on the arrow for Facebook, get rid of instant articles, get rid of Instagram, audience network, messenger. Okay. Oops, did it click off? It didn't. Okay. There we go. Leave it at link clicks. Leave it here at link clicks. Okay. So now that's the ad set. This first ad set is done. Okay. So let's look at it real quick. We're doing 20 to 65, all all men and women. And then after you finish this, you go to the ad. Okay, what's this? Is missing, obviously, I didn't finish the thing yet. All right, so this is the ad name. If you want to change the name while you can, it doesn't matter. You can fix it whenever. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a post, right? So let me go to this one. Go to your page. This is where you would select your page. And if you have an actually, no, we have to, for traffic ads, guys, you can't use an existing post yet because they have to use the call to action button for the traffic ads. They need to see who's going to go through and click it. So you leave it on create an ad. If you have a video or a image or video, you click this, can't even talk. Click this button here. It should already be clicked, so it doesn't matter. And then you would input the video or the image, click video or image. Now, for the website URL, if you guys use the domain names from GoDaddy, you could put that GoDaddy domain name there with the integration of the masking. Or you could do this. This is what I've been doing, okay? And it's been really cool because Facebook doesn't ban it, especially since it's like a legit thing. So you go to Google and you type in Google link shortener, okay? It's gonna pop up here. And then all you're simply doing is taking your affiliate link or your funnel link, and you're putting the funnel link in here, right? You're gonna paste it right there, and when you shorten it and you click shorten URL, it's gonna come up with this little tiny one. So this is the one I was just testing the other day. Got 114 clicks in like 2 days. I mean, this one's not running anymore. But it says this is the URL right there, and this is the link. All you're gonna do is copy that link, right? You click it, and then you go back to your Power Editor. You put the website URL, bam, right there. Oh, I didn't even select the video. Let me go select the video. Let's do this one. Okay, you can even pick your thumbnail if you really want to. It doesn't matter. Actually, yeah, I would pick a good thumbnail. Okay. So you click and pick thumbnail. You can go through all this stuff. Let's just leave it at this one. Don't need to click that. Your display link. You don't need to show the link because everything's gonna be here. Now, when you guys put the text, this text is gonna be up top, so you can just be like, what is it? Discover the new app that is taking over the online world. Right? That could just be like one little headline. Doesn't matter. It's like something simple, but use the headline training I gave you guys. So actually, I'll redo this. It'll be like, no, we'll leave I just deleted it. Discover the app that is changing the online world. 20,000 plus people are already using it. Bam. So that would be like the text up top. And then the headline is where you guys would put the strategy and how I told you to do it. So like the how-to, achieve a certain outcome without the usual problem or shorten the time and whatnot. So let's just see. So this discover the app that's changing the online world. 20,000 plus people are already using it. And the headline can be, actually, I don't even want to put the 20,000 plus people are putting because that kind of ruins it. It ruins at least what I was going to say. Discover the app. So find out how every day people, I'll do this way. Ready? Make it look good. Find out how I like capitalize the first letter of every single significant word, and then like the little tiny ones, like you'll see. Find out how the everyday person is making an making a real income from their bed. Something like that. You know what I mean? Like, find out how an everyday person is making real income from their bed without, let's just be funny. Let's have a little fun now. Without having to brush their teeth. Like, so there's something stupid, you know? So that would be like the headline that pops up right here. And then obviously if they want to learn more, the call to action button. So this is the link when you guys are running the traffic ad. This is what they're going to be clicking on. It's actually right here. So you can click on here, right? And you do, why didn't it pop up? All right, there's going to be a bunch of options. Learn more. It goes away. There we go. What the hell? You click on one of these and then you do it. Blah, 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 blah. Make sure that this says track all conversions with my Facebook pixel. Okay, you don't need to touch the parameters. It's optional. Always make sure you're tracking. Okay, and now we are done with the ad. Okay, so this is the ad. This is the button. They have the light page. They see that it's sponsored. It's legit. So you'd have like a good headline, have some catchy, text, and then you click this little arrow up top, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to ad sets. Now, that's one ad set. So like the ad set, like I showed you guys, is the part where you're getting the genders, the age, the detailed targeting. So the detailed targeting I just did for you guys on this one was Tai Lopez, right? So let's say I was targeting like an internet marketing type of person. So what I would do, if you guys want to duplicate this ad, you click on the little arrow, see how it's like checked off, check it, and then duplicate it. So what you're gonna do, choose existing campaign because it's gonna add it to the campaign. And then you do however many duplicates you want to do. Now, I want to just stress to you guys that this strategy, yes, you are going to find out the audience quicker because of the different types of ad sets that you're using, so you can figure out like what is the detailed targeting that you want to use. But every time you make a copy or a duplicate of an ad set, it does another $5 a day. It's not, 3 or 4 ad sets all under $5 a day, excuse me. Otherwise, you're not going to get a good result. You're going to be on this thing for days and days and days, and you're never going to actually get results because it's all under $5. So it's $5 per ad set. So if you guys are really tight on money, like really think about who your detail targeting is and make ad sets based off of that. So, so let's just for this point, let's do like 3. Okay, we'll do like 3. So we're going to do copy, save the draft. It's going to pop up as it duplicates. All right, so these are the 2 that just popped up. Ready? So first off, before I even touch anything, let's change these names. So you're gonna see a little pencil that pops up. Click on the pencil. So this one would be like, this is how I do mine. So let's say like Tai Lopez, because that's like the first person that I targeted. Okay, and then I would space / space. I'd put the age range, which what do we do? 20 to 65. And then we did another / space, and then we did male plus female space, and we just targeted mobile. Okay, so that's how I would keep track of like my stuff. So like this one, let's say I wanted to do Gary V. Okay, so we're gonna do like Gary V, like Gary Vaynerchuk, and put V / space, and again we're doing 20 to 65 space / male plus female space / space mobile. All right, so it's like little tiny details, but like obviously you want to do it as detailed as possible, so you're not stressing. You got to keep everything organized, otherwise you're gonna have a mind fucking. You should be like, oh, there's so much info, I don't know where I'm at, and this is why people never do ads because they're not organized. All right, so we did Tai Lopez, Gary V. Now let's try Amy Porterfield. All right, so I do like Amy P / 2065 space / male plus female space / mobile. Okay, now if you guys were to test all these, right, and you wanted to duplicate all these again and make them desktop, you can do that. So I'm going to show you right now how to edit these ones so that they actually are targeting Amy Porterfield. So you're going to click on this little edit button. First, you're going to check the one that you want. Then you're going to click on this little button there called and edit it. It's going to pop up the ad set part. And you're simply, see, leave it at $5 a day. You're simply going to go down to where you were targeting Tai Lopez, and let's see if there's any suggestions. For anybody that doesn't know, the suggestion box is really helpful. So if you don't know who to target, like here's a good way to do it. So let's scroll down. I think I see her. Yep, there she is. So you do like Amy Porterfield, right? And then you just get rid of Tai Lopez. Wow, that was a glitch. Okay. Let's try this again. I'll type it in. Amy Porterfield. There she pops up. Bam. There. Tai Lopez, get rid of you. And then you simply leave everything else the same because, again, think about it. If it's brand new, you don't know who your detailed target. If you guys right now already know who you're targeting, you know their age, you know whether it's a male or female, then by all means, go straight to the targeting part of that because then you save yourself some money if you already know who you're targeting, like with the age demographic and, you know, if they're male or female. But if you are so new, you don't know, you're trying to figure it out, you keep it broad so that it can fix, so that you can see the statistics of it and actually know where to break it down, okay? So for this, like we're leaving it as broad as possible. Potential reach 99,000, not bad, okay? And then simply you're done with that one, okay? So then you go to Gary Vee, right? You do the same exact thing. Edit, ad set pops up right now. Scroll down, take out Tai Lopez, and you put in Gary Vaynerchuk. And then you guys are done with this, okay? So you click that, and as soon as you're done with this, you're probably like, oh, what do I do to click it? It says in draft. Yeah, it's in draft. You didn't finish it. You have to go to the top here. See where it says review draft items? Click there. And what it's going to do, it's going to go over everything. It's going to go over this campaign. It's going to go over the ad sets. It's going to go over the ads. And if everything that is there that needs to be there is good, you can click confirm. And as soon as you click confirm, guys, these will go and get approved. Some of them may be a pending review, which is okay. It does that. Some will get approved instantly. Okay, so now let's fast forward and let's just say we got the clicks, 50 to 100 clicks, or maybe you wanted to test another one or you wanted to flip this, right? So simply what you're going to do is after you figure out, okay, let's say out of these three winners, okay? Let's say out of these three winners, Tai Lopez wins, okay? So what we're going to do is you're going to turn off these ones, and the way you turn them off is by doing this, off, off. Okay, so that means we found our winner. We know which one the audience likes the best, and all we have to do is go into the analytics of the age demographic. Now, I'm going to go back to one of the old ones to show you guys how to do this, okay? So pay really close attention. I'm going to click on, let's see this one, okay? I'll show you guys this one. We'll go to ad sets. I actually need to go to freaking my ads manager. So sorry, guys. Keep up with me. Bear with me here. Go to your ads manager. This is where you're going to be able to break it down. You can't break down the statistics and the numbers in your Power Editor because it's an editor. It's not, you know, a manager to see what's clicking. So we'll click on this one. Ad sets for campaign. So these are the ones that I ran before, okay? I was doing like Gary Vee, Amy Porterfield, Tim Ferriss, Russell Brunson. So what you're going to do, you're going to notice here at the top, it says breakdown. And I have another video going over this stuff, but I thought I'd just kind of mix it all together, show you guys exactly. So the first thing that I do is I go down to here and I click on age and gender. So I want to be able to see out of all these ad sets that I picked, what age out of the male and females and what age for between the 20 and 50-year-olds and what gender out of the male and females of those are doing the best, okay? So we got age and gender. Why didn't it pop up? Let's do this again. Breakdown, age and gender. Oh, I know why. Hold on. It's because I have this thing on set for today. I do lifetime. And it should be good. There we go. All right, so as you guys can see, so we're at the top here, Tai Lopez. So 18 to 24 female, only 2 clicks. 18 to 24 male, 5 clicks. So out of the 18 to 24 year olds, males did the best. Then you break it down to here, 25 to 34. Females, 1. 25 to 34 males, 7. So obviously, right now, the males are winning. And then you break it down here. 35 to 44, male and female, both 1 click, and then only 1 click here. So there's 2 things that are telling us something. One, it's saying that males are dominant for Tai Lopez. All right, males are liking this post, this headline, this ad more than females. And 2, it's letting us know that the younger demographic is actually enjoying it more as well, only for Tai Lopez. So if I were to break down this ad and use it again for another demographic, I would break it down and I would target just males between the ages of 18 and 24 and 25 to 34. And those would be 2 different ad sets. And that's it. Both males, and then the only thing that would be different in these ad sets for the next demographic would be the ages. And then out of both of those, when I up the ad, I see which of those 2 does the best and whichever one has the lowest converting result, or like the highest converting result with the lowest ad spent, then you keep it. If they're both good, you keep them both. You're not going to turn one off. You're not going to turn one off just to do the process of elimination just because you need to have one. If they're both doing well, keep them. You know what I mean? You don't need to change it. We're here to produce numbers, and if they're both producing numbers, it's going to work. So that's Tai Lopez. So what are you going to do? If you have another one, you're going to do this process over and over again. I'll do one more for you guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let me find someone that I can like. All right, here you go. Tim Ferriss. I target Tim Ferriss. Same exact ad, same exact headline, same exact video, different target. Instead of Tai Lopez now, it's Tim Ferriss. So let's look at the same statistics. 18 to 24-year-olds, male and female. No clicks. Interesting. You go to 25 to 34, male and female. 4 clicks male, 1 click female. Okay, male still predominant. 35 to 44, male, female. 0 clicks for female, 5 clicks for male. So males are taking over. And then 45 to 54, 45 to 54, male and female. 5 clicks male, 1 click male. So I have another 2 things now. Again, males predominantly winning. And the older demographic likes this, right? So we went from Tai Lopez, where they had a young demographic following him, and then we go to Tim Ferriss, and now the older demographic is following him. So now if I want to break down this ad, I'm simply going to run 2 different ad sets on this guy, Tim Ferriss. So I'm going to have 2 ad sets on Tim Ferriss targeting men for both of them, and then the age groups are going to be 35 to 44 and 45 to 54. That's it. Like, that's literally the process, guys, and that's how you break down the ads. And then you would simply just go back into your, let's say you go back into your Power Editor. Okay, as it loads, we're loading and loading and loading. I should have like music in between these sections so you can like enjoy it at least. All right, let's click out of the traffic, your company. Oh, this is the name. All right, so this is in draft. This is perfect. Click that. Click on ad sets. Now, for the time's sake, let's just say, so Tai Lopez won, right? So what are we going to do, guys? Males predominantly winning, right? 18 to 24, 25 to 34. Go to edit. And you would simply just enter in the information, right? You plug in what you see. And whatever winning, you go with what's winning. They're going to tell you. This is the coolest part about this, guys. They're telling you what they like. Who they like will literally tell you, right? So instead of 25 to 65, we're going to do, well, actually, we can leave it at 20 because it's 20 to 24. So you would do like 20, let's say, for this part, because it's 18 to 24, we didn't target 18-year-olds. We're going to do, this wants to cooperate. Sorry. Right? We'll do like 20 to 25. Why is it? Google Chrome is so much easier. Right? So for this one, we'll do like 20 to 25. Okay? Or we can do like 27 because we're both actually, if you want to cut 20 and 30, so we'll do like 27. Okay? So we'll do 27 and we'll do men. Beautiful. And that's it, right? So you got 20 to 27. Bang that out. And then you simply change the name. 20 to 27. Male. Oops. Oop, I don't even know if I changed it to male. Did I? I did. Okay, cool. And then you simply take this copy, duplicate it, existing campaign, just one, save the draft. Change this to 27. I don't know why it didn't pop up. Wow. Wow. $27. And then this is the, that's the copy. Man, I'm getting myself all messed up right now. Sorry, guys, sorry. Let me just delete these. Get rid of Gary V, unclick Tai Lopez, and we'll delete these. I don't need them. Delete. All right, so we'll edit this one. And since those ones are 20 to 27, we're going to do 28 to 34. All right, so let me go into this. All right, click on this one. I don't know why it's being so slow right now. Where did all these come from? Edit. All right, so we're here. And you simply just change the numbers. 28, 34. And that's it, guys. Easy. And then out of both of those, you see which one does the best. You run them, and they start converting. You take the ones that are winners, and then you leave them, right? And this is when you're gonna, after you finally guys get the winners, remember you're gonna be switching these to conversion ads too. Okay, so after you get your 50 to 100 clicks, just imagine we recreated a whole conversion ad. You're simply just going to take these ad sets and you're going to put them into a new campaign where they will be conversions. It is very simple. This is just a breakdown of it. And it's a very tedious thing. I'm not going to say, hey, this is going to be quick and easy. Like, it's quick when you get the muscle memory, but just come down to like labeling and understanding it. You got to keep track of everything. So guys, that's how you break down. That's how you set up the ad sets, how you duplicate them. That's how you keep them organized. And that is how you break them down and look at the statistics to see who is clicking, what gender, what age, so that you can get the highest ROI with the lowest amount spent. Okay, guys. So thanks for hopping on for this video. See you on the next one.